watching a video from here, right from ESCO 011. So I encourage members of ESCO, that's why we're here, to open your phone so we can launch it live and then turn on to Ministry of Information, Abia State Ministry of Information. Just click on Facebook so that together we'll launch just one project for a few minutes and we are done. Yes, let's say, I don't know whether we can come and help you. Those of you who have Facebook, open your Ministry of Information. Just search for Ministry of Information. This is actually the business where we came today. And then like the page. If you search Abia State Ministry of Information, the one that starts with Abia State. I don't know whether they interfered with the network inside here. Abia State Ministry of Information and Strategy, yes. You are there now? Good. So we can, Benny, please, if you're there, indicate so I can just launch and move on. Okay. Abia State Ministry of Information. Yes, with Rebuilder 365 as the masthead. Okay, you're there now. Can we go? If you are good to go, we'll move because of time.
Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Rebuilder 365, a documentary series which shows how Governor Okezie Ikpeazu is rebuilding Abia State, one project at a time. In this audacious series, we have been premiering one of Governor Ikpeazu's projects every day, and we will do it for 365 days. This is day 11, and we invite you to come on a journey with us to a Cottage hospital. This hospital is fully equipped and has ultrasound equipment, pediatric facility, a fully equipped laboratory, modern ward, as well as a modern theater that can undertake orthopedic surgeries and 24-hour power supply. No, we are not talking about a hospital in the commercial capital of Aba or administrative capital of Ohafia, but in a rural community called Nkporo, Ohafia local government area, built and commissioned by the rebuilder himself, Governor Okezie Ikpeazu.
Today is a day of joy that we have come here to commission this cottage hospital for the benefit of the most vulnerable members of our society, our children, our women, and the aged. This hospital today was a dream we conceptualized so many months ago, and I thank God that it has come to fulfillment on a day like this.
Abia State Governor Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu has commissioned the newly constructed Nkporo Cottage Hospital in Ohafia local government area of the state. Commissioning the Cottage Hospital, Ikpeazu said the facility is fully equipped with mother and care facilities, radiant warmers, ultrasound machines, incubators, as well as a modern theater that can undertake orthopedic surgeries, laboratory facilities, and 24 hours solar power.
I strongly believe that the hospital should not be known by the size, color, or dimension of the building, rather by the pieces of medical equipment and the expertise of the personnel that will man that equipment. That is why we have deployed a lot of resources and energy to ensure that we procure world-class equipment in various areas of medicine that will serve this community.
Just like other communities, the greatest thing that we have had in this area is a health center. Today, you have changed the narrative. Excellency, there are thousands and one thing. Your emergence in the political government of Abia State has brought to a change, not just in Nkporo, but indeed the entire Abia North. I want to tell you, Excellency, we are so excited.
Here in Nkporo, before the coming of this hospital, this cottage hospital built by the Abia State government, it used to be primary health centers that was only providing primary health interventions. Even severe cases of malaria were not able to be managed in such places, warranting our people to always seek healthcare provision in surrounding places like Ohafia, Rochukwu, and the rest of them. But now, through the ebullient leadership of the governor of Abia State, Victor Ikbazo, PhD, we have now a standard hospital, Nkporo Cottage Hospital, built by him, that has provided health services to the people beyond the ordinary primary health services. Right now, we have all manner of equipment that enables a hospital to function efficiently in all departments, including pediatrics, antenatal cases, women-related medicine, and then surgeries. There is hardly any surgery we cannot do here because all the equipment that are required to do it are present here and they are functioning effectively. As the vision of the governor in giving us 24 hours light services through the efficient solar system. Here we don't have a time that there will be no light. So even night services are done here. And since this hospital started, it has been a turnaround in the health status of the people that used to cry for this kind of provisions. A lot of our people now are happy and are very glad. The fame of this hospital has spread to neighboring and beyond communities. We have registered an ever-increasing number of people coming from far and near, Ohafia, Item, Abreba, coming to access quality medical services. That makes us very happy, and our people are very happy because this place is kind of becoming a tourist area where people, come for health services. So I want to seize this opportunity to thank the ebullient governor of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Victor Ikbazo, for remembering our people in this direction. What he has done is beyond words. I cannot even sit down here to begin to capture the entire ramifications of what he has done for us. I can only say thank you, sir.
During the commissioning, I'm sure a lot of people were shocked because when you say cottage hospital, you would just think it's one of those small hospitals, you just put one or two equipment. But I tell you, as a medical practitioner, the equipment I find in that cottage hospital is international standard. All you need to ensure that the people of Nkporo are well secured when it comes to healthcare delivery. So from the day of the commission, it's so difficult for you to begin to hear about unnecessary mortality in Nkporo. People now have access to adequate, good quality healthcare services, and we are very grateful to our governor, Dr. Victor Ikbazo, for this singular act in ensuring that the people of Nkporo are secured.
I like him. He has a bad mobile. Due to background, I'm a bundi tanga. So if I book one on the Maragara, danya. So obi other tasmobi otikele je ran ulogun. Mo ra bokada. I me bundi fe Abia here. Me bunda marada ebula many people there ba ndo obi de water lady one of the ulogun fa. And make a governor okezi bazo. Ihon ran dem so Chineke do yanda. Go make ruapa order gawaritu.
With the commissioning of this hospital, the health need of the Nkporo people is assured. Project 011, the ultra-modern cottage hospital, Nkporo.
Yes, let's see. Yes, let's see. Go. Please, another round of applause for His Excellency the Governor. This is Project 011. What just happened now is that from here we have launched all over the world. And what we have been doing is to launch with different audience. We have launched with the advisors, we have launched with information officers, we have launched with media aids, we have launched with cross-section of Abia people at the International Conference Center. So I invite you any day you have chance, because a daily thing, we launch each project from the hall with an audience to participate. But please, more importantly is that you like that page and that you help us to share the page. Because, we need people out there to know what is happening in Abia State. And what is happening in Abia State? I tell you, what is happening is that Governor Ibazo, in an unprecedented manner, has broken every record when it comes to good governance in all the sectors of the economy. And my duty as commissioner is not to engage in brickbats with anybody, but just to, deploy the visuals and allow the people themselves, the beneficiaries whose lives have been impacted, to tell their own story. As you have seen, we are there in a proactive manner, and by the grace of God, light has come and darkness has receded, and all the noise and all the shenanigans have given way to the truth of the excellent performance that our governor has bequeathed to us. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you, members of ESCO. At this point, I want all of you to go so that we can do our ESCO meeting.